Hello, very good day to you. Welcome to your latest Scotland weather update brought to you by the Met Office. It's fair to say there's going to be quite a bit more rain around as we go through the next few days, even through this evening. Some heavy rain, particularly across eastern parts of Scotland, which is why we do currently have a warning out. But as the rain breaks up and clears away, we see the worst of the impacts easing as well. Otherwise, through the night, a cloudy picture for many of us, and there will be a few outbreaks of rain, but because of the cloud, temperatures aren't going to drop much. We may see lows around 3 or 4 Celsius perhaps, but many places, particularly in your towns and cities, holding up in mid, possibly even high single figures. So Tuesday gets off to a relatively mild start, a cloudy picture, outbreaks of rain with some heavier rain then pushing into far western parts. As we head towards morning rush hour, we could see some heavier downpours affecting parts of Dumfries, Galloway and up towards the Outer Hebrides as well. Through the day then that heavier rain is going to push its way eastward, so many places likely to see some outbreaks of rain which could be a bit heavy at times, and notice a bit of winteriness possible over the highest ground of the hills and mountains. We're talking above 900 metres or so. There will be quite a bit of cloud around on Tuesday, and with the heavier rain it's not going to feel particularly warm. Highs around 8 or 9 Celsius, may just about scrape towards a 10 Celsius in the far south, so a little bit below average for the time of year. As we go through the end of the day, staying cloudy for many places, further heavy bursts of rain possible mainly towards the west, but filtering a little bit further eastwards as we go through the evening and overnight. Some clearer skies perhaps developing across the far north and far east of Scotland, also for the Northern Isles as well, but a few showers to watch out for here as well. Because of the largely cloudy picture and the heavy outbreaks of rain, again it's going to be a mild start for many of us on Wednesday morning, and it's going to stay cloudy with further spells of rain across many central southern parts. Notice another swathe pushing its way in from the west later, and this may bring a bit more winteriness over slightly lower ground as we go through Wednesday, but still it's going to be over the tops of the hills and the mountains as we go through the day. Notice also something a bit brighter, it's sunnier and drier across far northern and perhaps eastern parts of Scotland too, perhaps even Aberdeenshire having a decent amount of sunshine as we go through Wednesday afternoon. Watch out for 1 or 2 showers, most likely towards coastal parts, but a drier picture here than across more central and southern areas. Temperatures on Wednesday likely to be down a degree or so compared to Tuesday, so highs of 8 or 9 Celsius. I think a 10 Celsius is fairly unlikely on Wednesday. There's some drier weather to come as we go through the end of the week, but also some rain at times too, so it is worth staying up to date, which you can do so by following us on YouTube. Bye-bye.